Hi everyone, this is your girl Grace Monk. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making Nigerian delicacy Isi Ewu, mostly enjoyed by most Nigerians. The ingredients I'll be using: goat head, tomatoes, cucumber, onions, palm oil, pepper, Utazi leaf, salt to taste, Eruru, Maggi. First, wash your meat, put it in a pot. Turn on your stove. Add salt to taste. Add Maggi to taste. Add some water. Cover the pot and allow it to cook. While it's cooking, prepare all the things you will use to cook it. You can see it boiling. I grounded my eruru. So the meat is well cooked now and tender. But it has goat head is known to have a lot of bone. So I'll be separating the bone out, removing the bone out from the dish by using just fork and wooden spoon. Be careful, it's very hot. So you have to be careful. I'm separating the bones out from the meat, but I'm still going to leave some of the bones. You can see me doing that. It's very easy to separate because the meat is tender and cooked, well cooked. The bones are easily separated. You can see me doing that, removing it. Yes, I forget. If you want to add crayfish to your Isi Ewu, you can do that. It's optional. But even if you don't add it, whether you add it or not, it still tastes yummy and the same. But I will not be adding crayfish. So that's basically it. Separating the bone out from the meat. Now, after I've finished separating the bone from the meat, I'll be adding palm oil. I added Eruru, now Maggi. Remember, I sieved out the goat meat broth that I used to cook it. When I say broth, remember, the water that I used to cook the meat, the excess water, I sieved it out. So this is just, meat. I sieved out the in it, goat meat broth. I'm adding salt, pepper. I'm adding pepper. I'm going to grab the Utazi leaf. Utazi leaf is very bitter. It's bitter in nature. So mind when you're adding it. You add little Utazi leaf, depending on how bitter you want it or how sweet you want it. Some people prefer to eat their Isi Ewu without Utazi, but Utazi is what makes it Isi Ewu. I added salt to taste. Now I'm stirring it so all the ingredients can get into the meat. Watch it that when you're stirring it, it might get dry. The goat meat broth is by the side. You can see me adding little of goat meat broth. The goat meat broth. So I'm stirring it to make sure all the ingredients get into the meat. And you can see it's looking so nice. Guys, I can't wait for you to try this. It's so yummy, yummy, yummy. And that's it. You taste to make sure everything is okay. If you need to add anything, you can go ahead and add whatever you want to add. So that is it. Our Isi Ewu is ready to be served. While it's still on the stove, I'm going to chop the onions, tomatoes, cucumber, because I'll be using it to garnish the Isi Ewu. And here we have it. Your Isi Ewu is yummy ready. So yummy. I can't wait for you to try this. It's so good. You can serve it with any choice of your drink, juice, wine, palm wine, beer, soda, water, anything, any choice of your drink. It is so yummy, guys. You have to try this. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell and notification bell so anytime